Today is my first day at my new job. I feel excited, but also a little nervous. I wake up early at 6:30 a.m. I take a shower, eat breakfast, and get ready. I wear formal clothes and check my bag. At 7:30 a.m., I leave home. The office is 30 minutes away. At 8 a.m., I reach the office. The receptionist asks for my name and gives me an ID card. Then my manager comes and welcomes me. She takes me to my desk. At 9 a.m., my training starts. My manager explains my work. Today I have to learn about the company, set up my email and office software, meet my team, and introduce myself. At 12:30 p.m., it is lunchtime. My colleagues invite me to eat with them. I feel happy because they are friendly. At 1:30 p.m., I start my first task. I complete it and send it to my manager. She checks it and says, "Good job." I feel proud. At 4 p.m., I take a short break. I drink tea and relax. At 5:30 p.m., my work is finished. My manager says, "You did well today. Welcome to the team." I thank her and leave the office. At 6 p.m., I reach home. I feel happy and tired. My first day was good. Okay, bye.